Hello, this is James again from Denmark. So today I will show you the tools, how to use them in the repairing of laser source. So this is just first use a blade to peel off some cladding layer of the fiber. So as you can see, it's just by the hands, and with blade it takes some practice, and usually maybe 1 week you can just master skill after we're trailing. As you can see, this our engineer, he's just peeling off the cladding layer, and need some skill and just need practice, and we'll teach you how to do it. Okay, we need to peel off the two ends of the fiber. After that, we put the end to the cleaver, the machine. So the cleaver machine can just cut a good end for fusing. So this is a cleaver machine, and two ends need to be cut. So this is just for cutting the fiber's end. And after cleavering, after cutting, we'll use a fiber fusing machine, this one. So the two end, after a very good cleavered end, will be fusing with the fusing machine, as you can see. This is the cleaver, the other end to be cut. Okay, finished. So the two ends put in the holder on the splicing machine to fuse the two ends. So you can see it shows on the screen the status of the fusing status condition. So after that, you can see the two ends can be okay. Just a moment. Okay. Okay, put in. You see the screen shows the status of the fusing. It's two directions, so the position is good, and the two ends of the fiber just fusing to one. Okay, so this is the splicing machine, and our machine for its diameter, high diameter, and can just for IPG MAX and Raycus. So after that, we need to put the fiber into the optical module, put them, and we just need to use some glue to fix them, on the optical module. We use some glue to fix them. After fusing, and I will need to check if there is some heat up, because if it's not good fusing, there will be high temperature when it's working, so it will be easily be heated up and just cause some damage to the optical module. So we need to use with instrument. Okay, now let me check. There's some software to collect to the Raycus source. and we use temperature detector or the heat imager, thermal imager. A moment. Okay, so engineer put on the glasses, safety glasses. Why? Because when do the detection, some laser light will be just reflected out. So we need to put on the safety glasses. And this is the thermal imager, so it can check the temperature to check if there is some heated position, if not good fused. So we check. If there is just heated up, there will be show some image like the high temperature. So if there's no heated up position, it means that our fusion is good, is correct. Okay. So here is power status. It can show the power we're using, and we show there's no loss of the power. Okay, thank you. So if you want to repair the laser source and need tools for repairing the laser source, you can contact us. We can provide a full program and tools for you, and to support you and give you training and all the support you needed. Please contact us. Thank you.